Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to process garri from cassava. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like. Thank you. So after harvesting the cassava from the farm, after coming from the farm, the next step is to peel. The next step is the peeling process. And one thing about village life is there is division of labor. Some people are peeling and the others are washing the already peeled cassava. So as you can see, that's what they were doing in this particular scene. And also after the peeling and the washing, the next step is grinding, but my sister forgot to capture the grinding process, and I don't blame her. She's not a YouTuber and I totally understand. So after the grinding process, this is the manual way of pressing the cassava. You know that most people use pressing machine to press the cassava, but this is the manual way of pressing the cassava. This is the one we normally use in our house. This is my late mother way of doing it. So that was what my sister used in this place. Some people leave it for 2 days, some people leave it for 3 days, depending on your schedule.
highlifeng.com.
So guys, so let me show you what they brought for me from the village, and also please pray for me because I'm down with malaria. You can even feel it from my tone. So let me show you what they brought from the village for me. And also thank you so much for always watching Tracy Reality. Thank you for your support. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to unbox what they brought from the village yesterday night. The load arrived very late yesterday, so let's unbox together. And this is plantain. This is plantain. Brought 6 scent leaf now, fresh scent leaf, and ugu leaf, very fresh. Look at it since yesterday, and they are still fresh. And of course, see my garri, so fresh and very smooth.